Hi, what it do? It's me, Signature, and in the Hill here, which is my girlfriend, my manager. I'm here to introduce our company, Smiley Face Bandit Lyrical Production Company. I'm sorry. You might know me as B. Cardi, maybe not. But anywho, that's just a name that I had given myself. I'm trying to mature. Anywho, we're interested in working with you, so why don't you go ahead and hit us up if you're feeling this. This song that I wrote is called Love Me Now. Check it. I'm digging it. Can you dig it? We digging it. Walking through the meadow with a flower in my hand, picking petals once again. Damn. Does he love me or does he not? Sometimes he's hot and cold. Thought I had control. Now I just don't know. For a moment I was sold. Now I'm back up on the shelf. Does he need me around to better himself? All these questions I keep asking, you answer them with questions. I'm tired of this quest because it's full of mess. And love me now, love me now, love me now, or don't love me at all. Love me now, love me now, love me now, or don't love me at all. Don't love me. Okay, that's it. For real. If you like that, hit us up, let us know. Deuces.